You'll be hearing 3 sentences on each trial, and your task is to report how coherent of a story those 3 sentences make. If the 3 sentences are completely disconnected and don't make any sense with one another, I want you to push the button 1. So this assembly theory proposes that the brain computes information much like computers do, using similar types of algorithms and operations. We're using language as a model system to try and test these ideas because language is constructed and processed in ways that rely upon the prediction of next words, the processing of different levels of sounds, and different levels of understanding. They clap for him. Shane hit Joe's car. The night is cool. I like the sun. I want a tan. I get all red. We're trying to understand how the brain assembles, essentially, information into larger units of language. What we hope to do with the data is to analyze it using machine learning approaches to try and extract out signals that allow us to understand how the brain is computing this information, how it is that we end up understanding language, which is a very complex and uniquely human process that involves many different brain areas. The idea behind the theory is that this is a general principle of how the brain computes information. So in future experiments, we aim to test whether other types of information processing, like sensory processing, visual information processing, computes in similar ways in different brain regions, but using the same types of principles.